first thing I did is to use this form here and create a very long stiletto tip out of clear acrylic, and then I pinched the nail when the nail became warm, and removed the form, shaped, and filed. Now we have a nice thin platform that we can create our nail design on top of. The clear acrylic that I use is from Tones, and it's in glass. I will also be using a milky white, kind of transparent acrylic that I made myself. Also a little bit of black acrylic. You can leave me a message in the comments if you would like me to show you how I made this mix. And here are some of the things that I will be encapsulating in this design. And I just want to apply just a very thin layer of this sparkly color that I made. It's a milky, translucent acrylic. And I'm just using clear acrylic to attach the items. And with a wet brush, I just add just a little tiny bit of black acrylic and just kind of wash it on there. Just a small amount. And now I'm just going to cap the items out with the same milky white. I think that looks pretty good. I'll let that dry and then we'll file and buff. The last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to do some veining and some foiling with Mishu Pro Gel. And this is like a thick builder gel that I'm using to top coat with. It will kind of help just cap everything in.